Hello, I'm Sienna. Welcome to the Windows Need Cleaning website. Are you tired of searching for the best window cleaner? Look no further than Windows Need Cleaning. We are an award-winning window cleaning company with over 104 5-star Google reviews, providing top-notch service that is unmatched in quality and reliability. At Windows Need Cleaning, we pride ourselves on our no-contract policy, ensuring that you have the flexibility to choose our services without being tied down. Our team consists of skilled and uniformed staff members who are dedicated to delivering exceptional results every time. We understand the importance of customer satisfaction, which is why we offer a 100%, no quibble, money-back guarantee. Contact Tracy today for more information, or to arrange for your free, no-obligation window cleaning quote, and discover the professionalism and expertise that Windows Need Cleaning has to offer. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.